Yeah, no.
Good evening, everyone. Let's start today's session with no more delay. The first session is just a brain teaser round. Let me share screen.
Prashal, you are not audible to me, I think. I'm not able to listen to you.
The first session is a brain teaser. Pavo, Neha, please make me. Please allow me to share screen.
Vartika, you are wearing sweater?
Yes,
Vartika is feeling
I'm
cold.
also seeing this. Like seeing her, it
Vartika, your
looks like
mic is
it is winter. It's winter.
Okay, so can you see?
Yes.
Okay, so the first question is, before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world?
K2.
K2, हाँ.
And
What? What is the answer?
it is Mount Everest.
Kanchenjunga.
Kanchenjunga, yeah, I
It-
was just saying that. Kanchenjunga, whatever.
Although K2 is the second highest, but the answer still remains Mount Everest because
Okay, I got it. Yes, I've got it. It is because it is not discovered, it was present na that time.
but it was still the highest peak in the world.
Yes.
Yeah. And what if me earlier we were not knowing it? So before
Yeah, for us,
we-
K2 was the highest time.
Yeah, K2
before
of
being
six.
discovered or before being known to everybody, K2 might be the highest one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
No, but the question, but the facts say,
But
facts says that
at that time.
it was not discovered, but it was present. The question was like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Second one,
wait. This newsroom is very pathetic. See what is happening.
That's the problem with your phone, not the Zoom. What does she call that? Nachna hai agan teda in English? Pata nahi. Forgot all the idioms.
yes. नाचना जाने आंगन टेढ़ा.
Nachna jai agan teda. I was also repeating the same nachna jai. नहीं ना क्या था?
Not knowing someone and blaming someone.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Boy.
A boy is walking down the
Our
road
boy is walking down the road.
with a doctor, while the boy is the doctor's son. The
Then who is the
doctor is not the boy's father. Then who is the doctor?
Mother.
Can anybody guess?
Boy's mother.
Yeah, boy's mother.
How did you come to know? Are you so much? Okay, so the third one is
I have gone.
Your parents have six sons including you. Each son has one sister. How many? Mother, father, six son, eight, and one sister, 9.
9.
9.
You didn't have 6 sons.
2 parents and
Yeah, 9. Total 9. 9 members in family.
8.
9.
Why 8?
9.
Sister तो मैं हूँ.
okay. So how
Including
many?
you. But अच्छा हाँ okay.
9.
9 only.
9.
9. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Okay,
9.
so all of you agree with 9.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, is the correct answer. See, I thought it was the hard one, and you were so
No.
easy.
No, it was not hard.
It was not that hard.
Okay.
There was no twist in that. I
Yeah.
thought कि ऐसा लिखा होगा. One is you.
Yes.
One.
Yeah, everything was just
बच्चों को कहते हैं?
simple language.
बच्चों को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
Kid.
Kid.
Have one
Chil-
kid.
children.
One child.
but you are one of the children, but it was
I-
you are the son.
Actually, it was very time taking to search, so I was short of time, so I searched the most recent ones. Okay, so let's proceed with the next game. It won't take so long, and it is like framing the sentences. So the game is about that all of us will move forward alphabetically, like starting with Akansha, then Neha, Parki, Prashal, Vartika, and then Sugandha. Sorry, Parki ke baad Sugandha, then Vartika, whatever the sequence is. So yeah, so the game is like one will start with the sentence.
Prashal, just mute your mic. I'm not able to listen to Prashal.
Yeah. Okay,
Prashal,
so the
please
game.
repeat.
Okay. So the game is the first one will start with some sentence, like any basic sentence that I saw a tree. So the next one would have to frame sentences with the last word, that is tree. So then Neha, you have to frame sentence with tree, and it
Okay.
must be very random. Okay.
Yeah.
So if any one of us who will get stuck in between, or who won't be fluent, he will be eliminated, and so the winner will be drawn out afterwards. Okay. Have you understood, all of you?
Yeah. Start Akansha.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Or
We have to choose
I
the
didn't got.
Prashal,
sorry, what did you say?
we have to
Vartika?
make sentence from the last word or the important word in that sentence. मतलब अगर
Last.
then आ गया मतलब
Last word.
Please explain it.
Last word.
Last one. Like I am framing one game. Like I said, I am drinking tea. Then second one will say tea is very important for health. Any obvious or nonsense sentence, you can make any sentence. Like then one will say tea is very good for health. Then other will say health is wealth. Then other can say
Okay. With the last,
Okay,
we
we
have to
got
make
it.
sentence.
Yeah, we have to just make a sentence.
Okay.
Oh,
We got it.
and who will break the sequence will be eliminated.
हाँ.
Okay. So
Parki,
I'm
unmute
starting.
yourself first, then speak.
Okay.
Okay, I'm speaking. Okay. Yesterday I've gone to market.
market is such an important place of our place. We get all the things there.
one sentence.
There I got a big dinosaur, and that dinosaur was eating Prashal's mind.
Mind is the main character of human body.
Sugandha, your turn.
Oh, body have many parts like eyes, nose, lips.
Lips is required for a good kiss.
Akansha, your turn.
Kiss Day is celebrated all over India.
Vartika's
India,
turn.
India is a very traditional country, cultural country.
Country like it's my turn. Country like India is the most beautiful place.
I thought the same sentence.
Place.
What did you
Place
say?
where I'm sitting is on the
Place.
floor.
Floor is wet. Floor is wet.
Wet clothes. Wet clothes smells very bad.
Bad nature. Bad nature is very dangerous nature.
Nature is the most important quality of a human.
Humans are very bad.
Bad boy and good boy are same.
Same.
Same level of mentality remains the same. Same level of mentality. That's it.
We are just crap.
Mentality has to be improved of the today's society.
Society always thinks that we are doing wrong.
Wrong transaction can make you feel very bad.
You are just ending up.
What did you see?
He speak that what you say, wrong transaction will feel
Wrong transaction may make you feel very bad at last.
Prachal, you are out.
Exactly.
Yes, you are out.
Parky was not clear. Okay, so I am out, no problem.
Okay, so
I
Sugandha.
will out.
Sugandha, your turn.
Again,
Last
bad.
turn was mine.
What?
Last turn was mine.
Okay.
Sentence. Or you are telling,
Yes. That was the sentence. Speak now.
but you
See,
said
and it was
bad.
last one.
Yes,
Yeah, you sentence was
Parky, you
bad.
said
The
bad.
was bad. So you
Bad.
are also out.
At last. She said at last. Parky.
No.
No,
She
said
Parky
bad.
said- no,
Then
Parky.
she repeats. She said at last. Bad at last. Don't lie, Parky.
Added at
I
last
didn't
in.
remember. I said wrong transaction can make you
Make
feel
you
bad at last.
At
Okay.
last.
At
Okay,
last.
so what was your sentence?
Last was mine.
Yes,
Mine.
your.
Mine was the last one.
That was the
What was
sentence.
your sentence?
Last
Ah.
turn was mine. Her sentence was last
Mine
turn was
was
mine.
the last of my sentence.
Mine watch is very beautiful.
I can't.
Beautiful girls are very intelligent.
Intelligent people always win the race.
Race starts from the right place when you are born. कुछ भी बोल दिया. Born.
Sugandha, you are out for taking so much
Bonvita
time.
is very good.
Good boys are my favorite.
Favorite color is blue.
Blue is my favorite color.
Color is the most beautiful part of life. Colors are most beautiful part of life.
Life
Right.
is beautiful.
Beautiful is the cat.
Cat is sitting on the mat.
Mat is used to spread over the floor.
Floor is very dirty. You need to clean it.
It should be banned.
Banning things will not improve the condition of the society.
Society is very judgmental.
Judgmental things are always dangerous.
Dangerous things always lead to many problems.
Problems are my best friends.
Best friends are the shadow to your life.
Life has to be spent beautifully.
What Neha sentence are like? Oh, what was your sentence, Akanksha?
You are out
you are
then.
out now.
No, I
You
was
are out.
reading that partial sentence. This is what she wrote.
You should have
Then you
focused
are out. You should focus on this.
Huh?
That was trying to manipulate you.
Okay then. I'll drink my tea.
Akansha, repeat the sentence.
Why?
क्या बोला? Life
So why she's asking
life should be spent beautifully. I have said this.
Beautifully, you can make your future very bright.
Bright is light.
Light is not clear in my room.
Room has to be kept clean.
Clean things are the favorite. Clean things are favorite. Clean things are favorite. I started. I didn't
Favorite
follow
dish
it.
of mine is curry.
What?
Curry?
Favorite dish of mine is curry.
Curry is not my favorite dish.
Dishes are loved all over India.
India is my country.
Country like America, I want to go there.
There should be a proper investigation in the department.
Department of Agriculture is very old in our college.
College life is the best life, and I am missing all those things.
Things are meant to be kept.
Captain thing should be the most concern of your my lady.
Ladies should be given seat first to sit on in train.
Train is the fastest mode of transport in India.
India is my country.
Country like India's are having a diverse religion and unity.
Unity in diversity is our motto.
Motorola is one of the brand of mobile phones.
Mobile phones are the very useful thing in nowadays.
Without time in between.
Things like specs made me glorious.
Glorious skin is very important in marriage.
Marriage are the most beautiful part of girls' life.
Life has many problems.
Problems need a solution.
Solution has to be given to this problem.
Problem can be solved if you do it with your mind.
Mind is a very important part of our body.
Body is looking so lethargic. You should try doing some exercises.
Exercises are good for our health.
Health is wealth, and wealth is money.
Money is all we need.
Need. भूल गई.
Bhartika, you out.
Yeah, Vartika, you are out.
Okay.
Yes, Vartika.
Need more time to play this game.
Game is very good. I like it, Prashal.
Prashal is one name of my friend.
Friends are very important in our life.
Life seems to be difficult after COVID cases.
Cases are rising day by day.
Day will come when I will become successful.
Successful people always do hard work in night.
Night are beautiful places for couples.
Couples go to Gandhi Park to enjoy.
Enjoying in Gandhi Park is the most beautiful thing what Pantnagar people do.
Without you are saying people
Doing thing is very good.
What?
Parky
Doing
is out.
thing is very good.
I am out?
Yeah, Parky is out.
Okay.
Yes, Vartika is right.
Allow me to play the game again.
Yeah, please, me too. I also want to play it again.
Let's play it again, yaar.
Yeah, let's play it again.
It is very interesting and I like it.
And
Yeah.
let's play till this meeting ends. I think it might be it's I think
Let's
it's
just discuss. Okay, let's
Let us
discuss for
let us
30
yes.
minutes. Then we'll
play
again
this
play.
game again. Yes.
Akanksha?
Eliminated me for no reason. But you were waiting for 3 to 4 seconds. Then you are out only, Prashal.
Arey,
Okay,
who is the
Otherwise nobody will going to be out.
Prashal, who is the winner?
Who stopped? Who was left?
Akanksha and Sugandha were left.
I was the winner.
Akanksha was also left, I think.
Yes,
He
I have
left.
said that.
So we two are the winners.
Enjoy. Let's last
Yes, we
word
should
was
start
enjoy.
this game again.
Yeah.
Let us first, yes, let us first discuss the topic. It is very small topic. Today's topic
Yes,
is
it is
very
very
Okay,
small
so-
and it has only some points.
Keep it for 20 minutes only. ठीक है?
Yeah,
Yes.
okay, so
हाँ.
Prashal, do you want to start the meeting again? Because after that the meeting will stop and the continuous that
okay.
gets stopped.
Okay, we start it again.
Okay.